on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B. Man, I hope everybody's having a great day, man. I am, man. I'm getting better, y'all. Hey, I want to thank everybody for praying for this boy. My knee has been in pain. I go back to the doctor on Thursday. Got a few things going on with it. They're gonna get some fluid off of it, and they're gonna give me a cortisone shot in here. So yeah, man. Old basketball injury, but hey, here, I'm here to talk to you about the baddest helmet that I've been rocking here lately, y'all. Everybody know I've been rocking the Shoei RF 1400. So man, I want to give y'all an honest review on this helmet right here. Y'all, I have nothing bad to say about this helmet right here. I did Knoxville, Tennessee, 13-hour ride with this helmet. I did that straight through. I did Milwaukee to the 120, Harley Davidson 120, 16 hours straight through. Did, who else? Daytona in this helmet. Y'all, no head pain at all in this helmet. Great helmet. As you can see this helmet here. When I say no issues with this, a couple of helmets that I used to have your head hurting, your ears will be ringing. But this helmet, I haven't had that issue at all. No ringing. Helmet, just doing great. I'm satisfied. I'm happy with it. With doing that many miles on the bike, man, you got to be comfortable on the ride. You definitely got to be comfortable. And your helmet, it starts with your helmet, not with just your bike, because if your head is hurting and paining, it's gonna make a miserable ride for you. But this RF 1400 has been my go-to here lately. I still rock my LS2s and everything like that, but when I make those long trips and stuff like that, I pull out the RF 1400 because I got my mic set up on here. I got everything set up on here the way I needed to be set up, and yeah, I'm happy about this helmet. One thing, I'm gonna tell you a couple of things that I like about the helmet. The cheek pads. I love the cheek pads. And I'm gonna tell you why I like the cheek pads. You got 3 different cheek pads that you can choose from on this helmet. The helmet comes stock with the 35 millimeter cheek pads in here. Just say you gain a little weight, you can go down to a 31 millimeter without having to go switch a helmet or buy a new helmet because it done got too small. But you can go to a smaller cheek pad to make more room in the helmet. They have a 31 millimeter that you can go to as well. But like I say, it comes stock with 35. Just say you lose some weight. They got a 39 millimeter, so it's thicker than this 35. So you can go up a size on this helmet as well. So those some great things to have, so you can switch out. You know, people constantly lose weight, gain weight. So it's just what your preference is. If you want your helmet a little bit tighter in the cheek pads, in your cheeks or whatever. So it's however so you can be comfortable. But me, I got the 35 millimeter, no issues at all. And I'm gonna tell you the greatest thing about this helmet right here. The visor, y'all. The visor, the transitional visor right here. The best visor in the business, the best. Never have to switch your visor off and off. You don't have to stop to be switching on and off, putting your tinted one on, your multicolor, whatever. But this one will get dark with the sun rays. It's not as dark right now, I can't show you, but if you check out some of my videos where I just did a couple of rides where I started early in the morning, you'll see it get kind of tinted. But later on, when the sun really come out, you see how dark it get. Hotter it get, the darker it get. So this visor will run you about $215 just for the visor. The Shoei RF 1400 is a $500 helmet, $500 plus helmet. You can't go wrong. Like I say, I used to get ringing in my ears real bad, and I do not have that issue no more. I don't have that issue. But this is one of the best helmets out there that I think, I say affordable helmet, because you can get helmets up to $700 to $900, maybe even $1,300. So, but if you're trying to stay within a great budget, this helmet is a great budget. So especially if you're hitting the road, If you're hitting the road and you don't want to deal with the loud pipes you got on your bike, this helmet actually cuts some of that noise out. So like I say, I used to have it real bad. I used to come in the house and my wife and my children say, "Hey, Dad, glad you're home." I'd be like, huh? But hey, I don't have to go through that no more because of this helmet right here. And you see I got my camera set up on here, my GoPro Hero 9 Black. There's a lot of people ask me what camera do I use. I use 2 GoPro Hero 9s, but I am going to upgrade on some different stuff to the X360, Instant 360 X3. I'm going to upgrade on that, and I'm going to get a drone as well. But yeah, I just want to give y'all a review over this helmet. Like I said, you got the vents here. You got vents right here if you want to move these back, but I keep these 2 closed because I do a lot of recording. But when I get through recording, I open this vent here, and then it comes, you know, back here. It got great airflow on this helmet, great airflow. So you won't have any issues. But man, if you want a great helmet with a great visor, hey, you have to purchase this visor separate. Come with a clear visor on here, but you have to purchase this separately. So like I say, $215 for that, and $500 for the helmet. But y'all know that I'm giving away a helmet. Y'all know, if you haven't caught my last video, you got to go register. Well, not register, I'm tripping, y'all. But this is the helmet that I'm giving away, the LS2 Value 2 helmet that I'm giving away. I have one right now that I have in the house that I rock when I ride around here. But I'm giving this away. If you didn't catch the video, go catch the video. It's gonna tell you how to enter to win this, and it's free of charge to win the LS2 Value 2 helmet. Go do your reviews, your research on the helmet, and you'll see that it's a great helmet. So yeah, I'm not gonna go down through what all comes with the helmet, but you got to go to that video and to enter, and it's free to enter, and it's going to tell you all the directions what you need to do to enter, so you can be entered to win this helmet right here. So man, that's going to be it. I appreciate y'all. Hey man, I appreciate all the prayers, man, because man, your boy been in some serious pain. I'm hurting this knee right here because I'm putting so much pressure on it, trying to take it off this knee, getting up and down. But man, I appreciate the prayers that everybody's praying for your boy, because I'm ready to get back on the bike, take a ride. I ain't gonna even lie, y'all. I went around the block earlier. I had to get on the bike. I took me a little short ride. I mean, it was short. Went to Walmart, went down to my daughter's job, and just came right back just to see if I can handle the bike and put the pressure on the knee or whatever. But I was able to do that, so I was cool. And plus, I know how to preload, so that's the best thing right there. But man, till next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed day. And I'm out of here. I love y'all. Peace. And don't forget to enter to win. I'm out of here. Peace.